Iterable is a powerful cross-channel marketing automation platform designed to help businesses engage customers through personalized messaging across email, SMS, push notifications, in-app messaging, and more. It enables marketers to create seamless customer journeys, automate workflows, and leverage AI driven insights to optimize their marketing campaigns. Whether you're a startup looking to improve customer engagement or an enterprise seeking a scalable marketing solution, Iterable offers the tools you need to deliver targeted, data driven communication at scale. In this video, we'll explore Iterable's key features, benefits, and why it's an excellent choice for modern marketers. So, for its key features and benefits, first is its cross channel campaigns. Iterable allows businesses to create integrated marketing campaigns that reach customers through multiple channels, including email, SMS, push notifications, and direct mail. This ensures a consistent brand experience and maximizes customer engagement. Another key feature is the workflow automation. Marketers can design automated workflows using a visual drag and drop builder to trigger messages based on customer behavior, life cycle stage, or other criteria. This saves time, improves efficiency, and ensures timely communication. Another key feature is its advanced personalization and AI optimization. Iterable enables deep personalization by using real time customer data to tailor content and recommendations. AI driven optimization helps businesses deliver the right message at the right time for higher engagement and conversion rates. Another key feature is its customer segmentation. The platform offers advanced segmentation tools that allow marketers to group customers based on demographics, behavior, purchase history, and engagement levels. This enables more targeted and effective marketing strategies. Another key feature is the A B testing and performance analytics. Iterable provides robust A B testing capabilities and detailed analytics to track campaign performance. Marketers can measure open rates, click through rates, and conversion metrics to optimize future campaigns. Another key feature is its integration with CRM and data platforms. Iterable seamlessly integrates with CRMs, e commerce platforms, and customer data tools like Salesforce, Shopify, Segment, and Snowflake. This ensures that businesses can leverage customer data efficiently for personalized marketing. Another key feature is the scalability and enterprise grade security. Designed for businesses of all sizes, Iterable offers a highly scalable infrastructure with enterprise grade security features. Compliance with data privacy regulations like GDPR and CCPA ensures that customer data remains protected. So, why is Iterable a great choice for marketers? Iterable stands out as a comprehensive marketing automation solution due to its ability to create personalized, data driven campaigns across multiple channels. Unlike traditional email marketing tools, Iterable enables businesses to design dynamic customer journeys that evolve based on real time behavior. Its AI powered personalization and predictive analytics allow marketers to refine messaging strategies for maximum impact. Businesses can leverage automation to scale their campaigns while maintaining relevance and engagement. Additionally, its integration with various third party platforms ensures a seamless marketing ecosystem, making it easy to synchronize customer data and optimize outreach efforts. With Iterable's user friendly interface, marketers can easily build sophisticated campaigns without requiring extensive technical knowledge. The platform's flexibility and scalability make it a valuable tool for businesses looking to enhance customer engagement and drive higher conversion rates. So, basically, in today's competitive marketing landscape, businesses need an advanced automation platform that enables seamless customer engagement across multiple touchpoints. Iterable provides the necessary tools to create, automate, and optimize marketing campaigns while leveraging AI driven insights to maximize performance. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, Iterable offers the flexibility, personalization, and automation capabilities needed to build successful marketing strategies in 2025. So, if you're looking to enhance your customer interactions and improve marketing ROI, Iterable is a strong choice to consider. So if you need more information about Iterable, you can always view their website right here and you can request a demo. So they will reply in a few days and accept your demo and request. And from here, you'll see a bunch of different information such as key features that I haven't mentioned. You can also view their products, their solutions, learning, and support all right here in their website. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.